So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna update the oil catch can on the BMW. I'm gonna install this heat shielding for the hose, because every time I drive, the hose on the oil catch can gets extremely hot. So I'm afraid it's gonna melt anytime soon if I don't put this protection. So the protection is made by Design Engineering. It's designed to protect the hose or electrical system in your car. So now let's get started. So this is the heat shielding that I'm going to install on the hose here. So both this hose from the oil catch can gets extremely hot because the turbo is down there, and it generates a lot of heat every time you drive. So I'm afraid that this thing will melt if I don't put this heat shielding on to protect it from the heat. So I put on the heat shielding over the oil catch can hose there. So I put it over the hose and just slide on the sleeve there, the heat shielding sleeve, to protect it from the heat. Same thing here on the input and also on the output. So I slide it all the way down there where the point of connection is with the sensor, and one all the way here on the valve cover. Now it's protected from the heat. It's not gonna melt my hose anymore. So this is what it looks like when you after the installation of the heat shielding on the oil catch can hose, and then after you install the engine cover. It still looks good. I think it's a very clean install. So now I'm pretty confident that my hose is not gonna melt. Doesn't matter how hard I drive the car or how long I drive the car, all the heat from that turbo, it's not gonna melt my hose anymore. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So if you have the same problem with your oil catch can hose, probably do the same thing to protect the hose from getting melted from the heat. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.